This is Carlos. This is the probably the third time I'm going to test the Park Zone 480, the same power system as the T28 Trojan 1.1 meter. And this particular model is the E-Flite AT-6 Texan. You all are familiar about. And I have a 3D printed dummy engine, which is at the business end. And I selected this particular motor primarily for the weight and its power. And I am confident that this will fly the AT-6 Texan with good scale effects, if not a little acrobatic. So I'm pointing the camera right now to the watt meter, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the model using my transmitter. Battery's already connected. I see the receiver solid orange light, and it's active. And the model is active, armed, and ready to go. I'm going to go quarter throttle now, and then half, and then full momentarily. Here goes. That's quarter throttle. That's half throttle, and I'm going to go full throttle momentarily. 3, 2, 1, go. And again, this is the Park Zone 480 with a 3-blade 10-7 APC 3-blade prop. So, Carlos out. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.